What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. I want to do a little walk around of my car today. It's a 2011 E92 M3. Show you guys what I've done to it, what I plan on doing to it. I've had this car for about 3 years. It's been the most reliable car that I've ever had. I love it. Amazing car. Let's get into it. Here is my E92 M3. We'll start with the front of the car, move on to the rear of the car, exhaust, suspension, and then we'll talk about the interior of the car. So for the front of the car, I have custom headlights that I built myself. You can buy all the parts from bavgroupdesigns.com. I did carbon fiber eyebrow, full DTM pre-cut rings in the front. Looks amazing, super aggressive. Probably the best thing I've done to this car since I've owned it. I need new lenses, so as you can see, they're a little off with the clarity, but that's fine. I also have a GT4 carbon fiber front lip from, I don't know where, probably from eBay. That's pretty much it for the front. Like, there's not much to do in the front. Both my fenders are broken, as you can see. Bumper mount is broken, and then on the driver's side, took a nice chunk out of my fender because BMW decided to make these out of plastic for some reason. Don't know why, but it is what it is. I'll get around to fixing those one day. We'll talk about the wheels. I have Titan 7 TD6 forged wheels in the satin black finish. Amazing wheels, light, they look good. For tires, we have Michelin P4S's in 265, 35, 18 in the front, and then 285, 35, 18 in the rear. Good for the wet and the dry. I did carbon fiber side skirt extensions. No real purpose to that except it looks cool. And then the rear of the car, eBay spoiler that I've had since I bought the car. Custom blacked out taillights. So what they did with these is, these were OEM LCI taillights. They cut the plastic off of the front, or off the back of the taillight. They black out all of the chrome inside, as you can see, and then they have to plastic weld the lens back onto the light. This is really cool, kind of rare because it's a lot of work and not a lot of people want to do it. Gives it that smoked out look, but it's not actually smoked out. Like, if you look at it in person, it looks different. I've gotten a lot of questions about those. Carbon fiber rear diffuser piece. Don't really know who made this or where it's from. Probably from eBay, if I would have had to guess. Exhaust. This is my favorite part of the car. As you can see, I'm running Valve Master full titanium exhaust. Goes all the way to the headers, all the way back to the valved mufflers, and I can open the exhaust with a remote, close it, be loud or quiet. Sounds amazing, very loud. I'll put some sound clips in right here. So that's what my exhaust sounds like. Pretty loud, sounds perfect, high pitched, best sounding V8 engine ever made. Guess we'll move on to the interior of the car. So what I've done on the interior is I don't have carbon trim, I have wood trim, and I just very poorly wrapped it with one of my friends because we didn't really care how it came out. Anything is better than the wood trim. This is the wood trim that I had. Kind of ugly. My car's dirty right now. I put in a Sparco Evo QRT seat, bucket seat in size medium. I love it. I recommend everyone get bucket seats. Holds you in nice and tight. I have a GTS style half cage made by, I think it's called Alex Shop. I don't know. I bought it from one of my friends used, and I had that powder coated in satin black. As you can tell, my whole theme for the car is black. Everything dark, nothing brightly colored, nothing that says, ooh, hey, look at me, you know? But yeah, this cage looks cool. That's everything that I've done to the interior of the car. Bucket seat, half cage, and then I'm waiting for Sparco to get more of those seats in stock for the passenger side, but for now I just have the stock seat in there. That is my car. 2011 E92 M3, little walk around of everything that I've done to it. It's not much, there's people that have done a lot more to their cars, but this is exactly how I envisioned this car when I bought it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you click the subscribe button, hit the like button. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Track days, working on the car, I don't know, canyon runs, I don't know, anything. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video.